Let's make the world's perfect low-carb burger. Hi guys, today we are doing some burger patties. So first off, we're going to start with our cheese, and we have to weigh 100 grams of Parmesan. You can grate it very coarsely because we are going to blend it finer with our high-speed blender. For the flavoring, we're going to add half an onion. And that is also going to be blended. We're going to add coriander. Coriander is a spice we like to use in our house. I know a lot of people don't prefer it, and especially they don't prefer the coarse coriander. We are going to add it to the blender, and this will solve the coriander problem. We're also going to add the eggs, and the eggs will be the liquid for the binding. You'll notice that I'm putting in the eggs last for the whole mix that's going to go into the blender, and that is so that the liquids are on top when we actually close the blender container, and the liquids are closer to the blade just to start the whole blending process. I also have to add a clove of garlic. Let me just quickly put that in. Same as with the onion, it doesn't have to be minced. Let's get this mixed. Next step is to add your ground beef. You can use any meat you like, ground turkey, ground chicken. We do full fat ground beef, and we're gonna mix the blending liquid together with the mince to form the patties. You will notice that we haven't added any salt or black pepper or any other seasoning to the mix, and that is because of a tip we received from Gordon Ramsay by watching one of his videos, and he said that it's actually better to spice the patties while you are cooking them. Make sure you mix it very well. A lot of people prefer to use burger presses or patty presses. I found that this is not necessary if you get your ground beef mixed very well, and then you can just use your hands to form the patty. It's more authentic and original, and it just looks nicer. Okay, so as a tip, we are going to form the patties, and then we're going to place them in the freezer for a while just so that they chill. It's just easier to cook them when they're nice and chilled. But when you put them in the freezer and you take them out, they sometimes stick to the plate or the container that you've put them in. It's just easier to remove them when you've placed them on baking paper. Now it's time to actually get your hands dirty and start making the patties. We've found that about 180 to 200 grams is a nice size for the patties we prefer, but you can also go as small as 100 or even 150 grams. Okay, let's weigh them. Form a nice round ball. You want to really press your meat together as hard as you can, especially if you're not going to use a burger press. Now it's time to form your patties, and a tip would be to make it a little bit flatter than you would actually like it to be on your burgers. The moment you start cooking it, it actually pulls together and it stands up a bit. And while you are forming it, make sure you just keep the corners intact, and you can still apply pressure just to get the consistency nice and sturdy. Once you are happy, just transfer it to your container and keep going. That's 4 of them done, and the other tip that would be is you don't have to have a second container. You can just place another sheet of baking paper on top, and then you can just place the rest of them there. Okay, I'm gonna chill this for 1 to 2 hours, and then we'll check back once we're done. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and you'll get a notification when we launch a new video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and support us by subscribing to our channel.